In today's video, I'm going to show you how to effectively manage your backlog in Jira. If your tasks are getting messy or hard to track, this simple method will help you organize everything clearly and stay in control of your work. Let's jump right in. First, open your Jira project and go to your board. At the top of your screen, you should see a section called Backlog. If you don't see it, you may need to enable it first. To do that, click on the three dots in your project, go to Project Settings, then Features, and make sure both Backlog and Sprints are enabled. Once that's done, your backlog will appear. This is where all your upcoming tasks are stored before they are worked on. Now there are three important steps to manage your backlog effectively. First, organize your tasks using status. You can label them as To Do, In Progress, Testing, or Done. This helps you clearly see where each task stands in your workflow. Keeping statuses updated is important so nothing gets lost or forgotten. Second, assign each task to a team member. Avoid leaving tasks unassigned because that leads to confusion. Simply click on a task and choose a responsible person. Make sure work is distributed evenly so your team stays productive and balanced. Third, set due dates and priorities. Click on a task and assign a deadline, such as a specific day or week. This helps keep everything on track. Then set the priority level. You can choose low, medium, or highest priority depending on how urgent the task is. High priority tasks will automatically move to the top of your list, making it easy to see what needs to be done first. Lower priority tasks will stay below, helping you focus on what matters most. And that's it. By using status, assignments, due dates, and priorities, you can keep your Jira backlog clean, organized, and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!